In this video, we have taken a red cutting sheet and putting this yellow color over the white sheet. So it shapes like a mango. Now it's turn to make its branch and its leaf with the green. Now putting some white color to make it look more attractive. It's ready. In the next, we have used here a white sheet and making a circle with this orange color and using this green to make the leaf. Now rest of the part we are coloring it with this yellow, and now making the ear over the orange color in this way. So here we are making a lion face, making its face with the white color, its eyes, its nose, and it's ready. Let's proceed to the next. In the next, we are again using the white circular sheet and putting this green color leaf with light and dark over the white sheet. Now it's turn to make this stem, a dark green stem, and putting this crayon with the help of this finger over it. So it is basically a barley, more barley like that, and just finishing it up with the green. Now making the bug and it's ready. In the next, we are using here a white sheet, giving this shade with a different color and making a line in between so it will look like a tree. So here we are using pencil to make the stem and branches of the tree, putting the ground with this multiple color and making a dot with orange, and it's ready. In the next, we are using this white sheet and making a green line over it so it will look like a stem, and now putting this leaf, a small leaf in this way. Now using this sheet and making a circle like structure, putting more colorful circular structure over the stem. Now it's turn to make a bee with the clay, a buzzing bee around the flower. It's ready. In the next, we are putting this green crayon line over the white sheet and making a leaf in the different way. And after this done, we are going to use small sheet and just making a roll with the help of hand and putting the glue over it and putting all the yellow circular sheet like that over each stem, and now putting the sheet to make a bee, buzzing bee around it. It's ready. In the next, we are using here a real leaf and putting a green color over it and pasting over it this white sheet in this way so it will shape like a real leaf. And now putting this different color circular sheet and making a bug over it. So firstly, we are making a dot over the body in this way, making its wing, making its antennae, and now it's turn to make a 6 legs. It's ready. In the next, we are using here a dark green color to make the stem in another way, making its leaf and making a line with this wooden stick. Now it's turn to make a strawberry and putting this clay, a green clay over the strawberry so it will look like a strawberry leaf. It's ready. In the next, we are using here a cardboard sheet and making a stem using this clay to make a flower with the help of hand. So basically, we are using here a multiple color crayon and shape it up like a heart. And now it's turn to put the leaf and the pot. It's ready. In the next, we are using red color and making a circle in this way, putting a drop of water over each, and you will get that how it is spreading on the white sheet, making more color like that. And here putting the pot which having this design over it so you will get a flower pot is ready in another way. In the next, we are using as usual a white sheet and making a black line in this way and using this pink sheet in this way, as you can see. Now putting this pink, white, yellow, green color over it. Now making a pink circle on the beside, putting more color like that and making a light in this way. In the next, we are using our finger to imprint the green line over the white sheet so it will shape like a stem. And after this done, just using that same color of leaf so you will get a bamboo type of structure is ready. Now it's time to put some more leaf on the ground in this way, making a greenery. It gets ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.